Hello, I'm Greg Kimball. I've been at Marathon Coach now 32 years. In the service department, I am the woodworker, cabinet builder, solid surface guy, and whatever else needs to be done on that particular coach. We help out all over the place. What brought me to Marathon was just the fact that the product they've always had has always been just, the top tier of any motorhome or coach that you can think of. And over the years, I've seen it progress from, no slide outs to 2, 3, 4 slides. And the quality has always been there. That's been a mainstay with the company, is the quality. Most of my free time, when I have some actually, is I like to fish. So when I can get as much as that in, it's great. When I retire, I plan on doing the RV thing, and I would like to travel to see the Grand Canyon. Believe it or not, haven't seen it yet. I feel like I've always been pretty good with my hands. Cabinetry's always been a bit of a passion for me. So I really haven't strayed far away from it over the years I've been here. We got a little remodel crew, Rob Thompson and Wes Woodcook. We work really well together. Steve Seifert is our project engineer. He gives us a drawing, just having that little nucleus of people that are like-minded makes everything just super easy. Currently, I'm working on Coach 1209. They're adding some shelf units for more storage because they use this coach as a tailgater for the Stanford games. They had an existing wardrobe. We took the clothes hook out and added storage for them. And where the washer and dryer cabinet used to be, they put in 2 refrigerator drawers, and we added more shelving above that also. We've got a lot of coaches out there. And when it comes to remodels, we've still got thousands of sheets of laminate on stock here that we can use to work on coaches even 20 years old. One of the greatest things about these Prevost chassis is that they can go 1,000,000 miles literally if they're well maintained. And the interiors of these coaches, if they're well maintained, they'll last just as long. But as we know, styles change, so we can get in there and remodel to whatever the customer wants. Sometimes they want things to be a little budget friendly. Other times there's no limits. It really allows you to, take everything right to exactly what they want. When you're all done with it and the customer comes up and say how impressed they are and how it looks like it's just always been there, that's just a great reward for me.